Afternoon, Punita.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
I'm also doing great.
Yeah, that's great. So, Punita, we are meeting first time. So, would you introduce yourself?
Yeah, why not? So, may I first?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, my name is Punita. I'm from UP. And if you talk about my qualification, I have done my graduation in science. And after that, I have done a diploma BTC, which is related to teacher eligibility test. And after that, I have qualified uh, 3 time TET and 1 time CTET exam. And nowadays, I'm preparing for government teacher exam, and yeah, I'm waiting for notification. And if you talk about my hobby is teaching, listening song, and cooking sometimes. Yeah, that's all about me.
Yeah, that's
Thank
great, Punita, about you. That you told so many things about you, about your study. Okay, so let me introduce myself. My name is Varsha, and I hail from the snowy and scenic beauty of Himachal Pradesh, but currently reside in Punjab with my family. And as a language enthusiast, I've started my YouTube channel focused on English conversational videos. Yeah, that's little about me.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So, Punita, tell me something about your study. You told me that so many degrees, like 3 times you have cleared TET, or you
Yeah,
have appeared for the TET.
sorry, ma'am. Someone is calling me.
Okay, not an issue.
Okay.
Yeah. So, tell me something about your exams. That CTET and TET. What type or what kind of exams are these?
Yeah, this is teacher eligibility test exam. Yeah.
Okay.
CTET means this is available for all over the country, and you means if you qualified CTET, you are eligible for all over the country, and if you qualified UP TET, then it is only for your state. Means I'm from UP, so there is UP TET, and which state you related that means if you passed that exam, that is only for your state.
Okay. So that's great. You have cleared CTET as well.
Yes, yes.
Oh, wow, that's great. That's amazing. That because most of the people they are not able to crack this exam, CTET as well.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, if you crack CTET exam, then you are eligible for any state. Means if you are not from that state, but you are eligible for apply the form any other state.
Yeah, it's amazing because sometimes you know what happens that earlier it was happened that I am from Himachal, so my nearby state is Punjab. So when I was studying, I have done my master in computer. So at that time there was like if you are from Punjab, so there was the exams that you have to clear that exam, and you could join the government school. But in Punjab there was not, in Himachal there was not at that facility. So one of my friends, she cracked that exam at that time, and now she's a government teacher, computer teacher. So these are the things. If you have cleared that exam CTET, so you can go further for another state. So this is the best thing, Punita. Okay, so tell me something about more like these exams, and like you want to become a teacher, government teacher, right?
Yes, yes.
Which
Yeah,
subject?
actually I qualified in teacher final exams. If you heard about UP, there is uh, one attempt cleared means one form released by government in 2018, and in that exam I was qualified, but due to reservation scheme, uh, and we are fighting nowadays in Supreme Court against the government. But what will happen, I don't know. And in before 4 months, from before 4 months, there is no any vacancy in UP, so we are waiting for that. Yeah.
uh, you know, the some of these things that they hurted us a lot when you have appeared the exams and you have cleared that exam and there is no result. So yeah, this is very heartbreaking news for all of us, that okay, we are studying and there is politics, or we can't say about that. So yeah, it's okay. Okay, so next, like what subjects do you teach?
Yeah. Where means on our YouTube channel or any other means
Like what kind of work are you doing? Are you a teacher in school or
no, no. Nowadays I'm not teaching anywhere, means not any school, because I have two kids. One is 5 year old and second one is only 4 months old. So
okay.
that yeah, nowadays I'm caring her. When I got time after 2 years, mm, yeah,
Yeah, that,
then I am thinking that then I will do, means I joined any school.
yeah,
I will
that.
join.
After 2 years, you join government job, so you don't have need for going any private job. So that's right. That you now, as of now, you have you can give time to your kids as well, because that is must for us. That we have to grown up our kids, and then we can go further. Okay, so tell me about your English journey. That when did you start, and how did you think about learning English?
Yeah, before, yeah, I have been learning before 1 year actually, but I was not continue. Yeah, due to some problem. You can understood. Yeah, I have told before something. Yeah, so yeah, I'm learning before 1 year, but now before 1 month I am continue practicing. Yeah, I try to daily continue before 1 month.
Yeah, that's great. That sometimes we have to take initiative for ourselves, that okay, I want to learn this skill, I want to learn this. So nowadays, what is the best thing is that we can learn at home. We don't have need to go anywhere for learning. As you told me that you have 4 months kids, so you can't go anywhere for learning any skill, but you can learn at home. So this is the best thing for all of us, being a woman, that we can learn new skill, and we can use that skill for our earning, or for our future as well. Okay, so tell me, like how do you learn English, or how do you from where do you learn?
No, I'm not going anywhere. Not I have not taken any subscription. All things I'm doing myself by myself. Means yeah, with the help of social media. Sometime I listen conversational video like this type of video, and podcast video. Sometimes when I want, then I watch cartoon with my baby. Means yeah, I told you that my one baby is 5 year old, and she also like watch cartoon, then I watch with her. Yeah, but in English. So she is also learning something, and I practice with her some simple sentences what I learn, then I use with her to speak. Means I used to speak with her. So she is also learning with me, and I'm also yeah, learning.
That's amazing, Punita. That's amazing, because now your daughter is only 5. So if she will watch English cartoons, so she will be accustomed to watch English cartoons. Otherwise, what is happening, that uh, if we are speaking in Hindi, so our kids are also speaking in Hindi. But the thing is that they are watching TV in Hindi as well. They love to watch Hindi cartoons. But now your daughter is only 5, so if she will watch English cartoons, so like listening is must. Listening is essential. I would like to share my daughter's story with you. That when she was in a first grade. Now she's in second grade. First grade, what happened? There was a storytelling competition in the school, and I told her, okay, if you want to participate, so you can. And there was a story in the TV, like YouTube. So she was watching every day. She was watching that animal story, and she was ready to speak that full story.
Yes,
And
yes.
when she went to school, and her teachers, she asked her about story, and she told entire story in one flow. And then teacher told me that you have to write that story and send us. So that was like a one page, 1.5 page. I have written that story. That was like 1.5 page story that my daughter has learned, and she got first prize from there. So, like from there, I have learned that okay, the kids, the listening power is very essential for us. That kids are just listening by uh, TV, and they are able to speak. So, if
Yes,
you, yeah, you can use accent as well. If your daughter is able to use like watch accents video, British accent, American, whatever she wants, so she will speak like that accent.
yes,
you
yes. Yeah,
you don't.
actually, yeah, my daughter is also understood everything. What they are saying, what they are talking with each other in all our cartoon means yeah, she understood. But while when come to speak, she is some fumbling. But yeah, in future, I think in future she will able to speak. Yeah.
Definitely, she's only 5, so in future like consistency is the key of success. If she will watch these types of cartoons, so definitely next year you will see the change.
Yeah, sometime I also ask her that beta, are you understood what they are saying? Yeah, she replied, yes, mommy. I understood what they are saying. Then I asked her to Hindi. What tell me in Hindi what they are saying. Then she able to told me that they what they are saying in Hindi. So I understood that she is understanding. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely, definitely, because pictures are the best way to learn. Whenever we are learning from the picture or from the movies, that like stories, if we'll watch any movie, so like end of the movie, and then you will ask me entire story, 3 hour stories, you will ask me, then I'll be able to tell you. And if I will read one chapter of the book and you will ask me, I'm not able to speak that chapter. So this is the power of watching anything, that we can grab that things easily whenever we are
Yes.
watching. So yeah, so kids are, they have sharp mind. They will learn like in a easy way, and with speed, because we are not our minds are not like that. But definitely they can learn with ease, and like they can speak, and keep it up, this work for your daughter.
Because our mind is full before other things, and our kids mind also empty. What things you set on empty place, that set for permanent. Yeah.
Yeah,
But
definitely.
in our case, we have to delete, and after that we have to set. This is the
Yeah,
problem.
that's true, that's true. And our mind is not in a one place. Our mind is roaming here and there are so many works. Like now I'm talking with you, so there is my work that at home, that I have to done this, I have to done that. So my mind is like, yeah, moving here and there. So how we can learn these things easily? Yeah, we can learn. This is not a big deal that we can't learn, but it will take time. For kids,
Yes.
they learn easily. So this is the
I'm
power of.
I'm also thinking right now that my baby is sleeping. Yeah, she got up or not? Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay. So, Punita, thank you for giving your valuable time and sharing insights with me. So, this is the best discussion we have done now about watching TV, how TV can impact over us, and cartoons we are watching. So, definitely it will work for all of us, that we will be able to watch English cartoons. Like, I love to watch cartoons, and this is the best way to learning English.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.